A short meditation can change your mood, your day, and even your life. Sit back, settle in, and join me now. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Allow yourself to settle into the present moment. Let the worries of the day drift away. Picture yourself standing in an open meadow, surrounded by tall trees and lush grasses. Feel the sun on your skin and a gentle breeze against your face. Breathe in and out. As you stand there, notice how connected you feel with all aspects of nature around you. Every blade of grass, every tree, every bird singing in the air. Take a deep breath in and out. Now focus on your inner self. See yourself as part of this natural world, connected with all living things through your shared energy and spirit. Imagine that each person is like a single blade of grass in an expansive landscape of miles of rolling hills, an individual but part of a larger whole. With each breath, feel your connection with each living thing. Feel the energy pulsing through your body and radiating outward to those around you. Notice that we are all connected, sharing in this energy and spirit of life. Take a deep breath in and out. Hold on to this feeling as you slowly come back to the present moment. Allow yourself to remain rooted in this sense of connection and oneness with life. Take one more deep breath. Open your eyes and bring yourself back. May this meditation bring you peace throughout the day.